Get out of here.
All right, my incredible Braille skateboarding team. I have a gift for you. The gift of blue balls.
Whoa! Oh
my God.
I'm on Braille's Instagram right now.
Whoa! Whoa! Hey, get away from me, Jones. Get away from me, Jones. Yeah, ow! Ow! Hey. Oh. You just punched me, didn't you? Hit me.
That other one we had, it was like...
Dude, you look...
Oh, it reminded me of Willy Wonka.
You look like something and I don't know what it is, but you look like something.
All right, that's enough for me for today.
All right, so we have done these before, but it was the ones where you're inside like this.
Me and Rick versus them.
Oh, well, we're doing a draft.
Red versus blue.
Oh, red versus blue. Okay, yeah, we can do
We
that.
got the red bottom boss right here.
Yes,
The
sir.
red bottom. We're gonna do a full part game of skate. Team red versus team blue. Those are the only rules.
Sounds good. Is Uzi the ref? I mean,
No,
is
Uzi's
Nigel
fine.
the ref?
It is scary.
I don't know
Honestly,
if I should keep my hands in or out. Does it matter?
The way it frames, like these look like your pecs. Those are your abs.
Yeah. Coming soon to look like this.
All right, team captain for team red, team blue, Rochambeau. What?
Just play flat.
That's fine. Yeah, whatever you want.
All right, ready?
Rick, you won. Call your trick.
Ollie.
Hop shove. You guys look like boysenberries or something. Switch ollie. Yeah! No, 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 not today.
I figured it out.
Hey, ollie, good. Kickflip. Oh, dang, you're going all the way in there, Rick.
I'm out camping out.
Hey! It's good. Oh, hat down. Oh, it's good. Front shove is crazy.
I tried to ride it through. You little sucker. I swear to God, JD.
Dude, are you all right? Oh my God.
That was
Dude,
way
that
too
was
good.
incredible. It did not look like you braced for anything, brother.
I took my elbow
It
in.
looks like you tried to send it and you tried to will it to happen and then you just ate wood. Okay, so that's for you guys. I'm gonna give it to him. You almost went down again. That is an SK for Team Red.
Not a trick.
Oh my God.
SKA! Team! You're scaring me the most out of everyone. Bro! Oh! Switch front shove. Yeah. It's good. Oh! Dang, Rick! Keep him alive!
Get out of here.
Switch shove is stupid. Oh!
He didn't know pop yet.
Yeah.
I don't even know what to try anymore. It's so difficult to think of new tricks.
Nope.
Did I get close?
No.
Oh, that was hurtful.
Come on, you guys. Aren't we having a ball?
Yeah.
Can you get out of here with your inflated ego?
What are these advertised for? Playing like NFL fun in the backyard or what?
I don't know.
Because like I think it's dangerous.
The other ones where you're
The
in
other
there
one-
are
yeah.
fine.
Well,
These
see, it's
are,
like the other one was like full on, you're in, let's go. This is like half. Like, oh, you're kind of safe, but not really.
The air is not, look, you could touch your own hand. Like, when you fall, you just hit the ground anyways.
Wait, that was switch, no? I'm gonna count it.
So
You
difficult.
were trying to get bodied.
No, I was trying to land it.
That's ass. Oh,
Man, I'm blue.
On
whoa,
the internet like this.
whoa.
Edit that out completely.
The burial flip is way better, Rick.
I know, the barrel flip got me thinking anything's possible.
Hey, SK.
Yeah, that's a nollie easy. That's good, bruh.
It's a very like big margin for error here. SKA! The comeback is real! Nollie flip, nollie flip. Oh!
Not you.
Is that SKT? Is it T to T?
What do I do?
Nollie heel, 3 shove.
No, I don't do switch
No, he
here.
didn't do switch heel. No, I'm trying to recount the tricks.
They got T for show.
Tray flip,
3 shove, tray flip.
Nollie heel.
Nollie flip. Do we
T?
got T? Do we got T?
Yes, you do.
What's the tricks?
Ah. You?
That's
No,
sketch.
full cap.
No, it's his set.
Full cap.
Yeah, that's good.
No, they could do that.
No, they can't. There's no way.
JD can do
Yeah, JD could.
No, JD's getting bodied. What's going on in here, bro? All right, I got it. Oh, that is a good one. What is wrong with
This
you?
is the introvert ball.
Did you ever take anyone to the high school ball dance?
Shut up! Stop it. Stop.
Did you take anyone to the ball?
Stop. Take a lap.
No,
Take a lap.
I'm asking you for real.
Let's go.
It's good.
Do we both get 2
You guys
tries?
both get 2 tries. Now, this is how I feel if you were the Kool-Aid man. That's it. You know you won. You taking it off?
I need to breathe, bruh.
Last tries. JD, it's up to you.
Good game.
It's up to you.
What did I tell you? We completed the comeback. They counted us out. Gabe was saying, well, we could just rematch if they beat them so bad.
That's a little bit.
On the real though, what are these made for?
Yeah, what is the purpose of
Let me do some research. So these are sumo balls. That's what they're called. It encourages kids to get outside for fun, healthy activities that develop coordination, balance, and friendly competition. Yeah, I got the adult size one. It doesn't really say anything about it. Sumo ball bopper toys, heavy duty PVC vinyl, adults physical outdoor active play. Yeah, I really don't know what these are for. I don't know. What are the odds you skate the mini ramp?
1 in 5.
1 in 5?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
4.
1. No!
Why are you in my face?
What is wrong with you? Yeah!
It kind of saved me
Oh,
a lot.
dude, it looks cool up here.
Really? It saved me. Scary though.
Garbage Man 420 says Gabe is the true GOAT.
Thank you, Garbage Man 420.
Yeah,
I love Garbage Man 420. have mastered the bubble ball.
Yes, I
But
did.
you have blown a 2-0 lead in a game of skate. How do you feel?
How did I blow it? They just landed stuff.
You blew it?
Yeah. Said he blew a 2-0
Alter
lead.
all. If we played full spot park, we would have got smoked instantly.
Yeah.
But flat, we thrived.
Sick. All right, everyone. Should we do a full part game of skate next? Leave it in the comments below. See you in the next one.